Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audible and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Lamborghini Aventador that we've upgraded with a product called Target Blu Eye. It's a product that alerts you guys on the road of all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. Now that's got your attention, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer came into us and we've upgraded loads of stuff on the vehicle. We've done a full sound system, Apple CarPlay, plus loads more. We've actually done a full series on our YouTube channel on Behind the Sound, which goes through a little bit more about what actually went on with the whole install. However, today's video is all about Target Blu Eye. So Target Blu Eye is an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road of all approaching emergency service vehicles. So that is marked and unmarked. Basically, the way it does that is it alerts you by an audible tone and a visual alert from green to red as you approach any emergency service vehicle. In essence, in terms of what's included in the install, we've got an antenna that sits down at the front here, then that goes into a control box, and then we've got a display. However, it's no normal solution that we've gone for. We've done our fully integrated mirror display option. Basically, we've got the standard display options as well for many other vehicles and also on this vehicle, where you can have that display kind of mounted on the glasswork or on the dashboard somewhere. However, we didn't want to settle with that. We've gone for a custom mirror solution. Basically, what's involved in that is actually removing the factory mirror completely and adapting that factory mirror to allow for the Target Blu Eye display to be added in. What's involved in that is actually stripping that mirror back, getting that PCB board, stripping that apart, relocating that all directly into the factory mirror position as well, then reassembling everything, making sure everything's inch perfect, and adding two little buttons to the bottom of that mirror to allow for actual control over the Target Blu Eye display. So your LED lights are now integrated into your factory mirror, and this looks absolutely savage. We're actually doing another Aventador on Wilfred's Haas car currently. There'll be a full video on that car as well for exactly the same product. These systems are incredible and they work so well. I literally have one installed in my vehicle at all times and I wouldn't want to drive a car without it. Phenomenal solution. It looks stock, there's nothing on display. Everything's integrated into that mirror. Plus, it's a phenomenal solution for alerting you guys on the road so you can safely move out of the way of all approaching emergency service vehicles. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. And also we've done a full video on actually an unboxing and a little bit more of a technical spec on Target Blu Eye. So make sure you go check that out. But so you don't miss any of our videos, you know exactly what to do, guys. Press that subscribe button to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.